Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Lab Edition. In this video I have a Huawei Nova 8i in front of me and I'm going to show you how to enter a simple mode. This phone can operate in a very simple mode. Let's say you want to put the phone in a simple mode and you just need the basics. So in order to do that, you can just go into the settings. In the settings you see system and updates. System and updates, as you can see, simple mode. So you just have to click on simple mode and enjoy a simplified home screen layout with a larger icon and text. So if you click on enable, it will enable a simple mode. As you can see, the fonts are big, even the icons of the phone is also big, so you can read it nicely and you don't need the glasses. And as you can see, the phone is quite simple. Even in the settings also you have basics: the phone, mobile data, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, display and brightness. Very simple phone, and that's how you can use in a simple mode. And in order to get out of the simple mode, you can just get into the settings. As you can see, exit simple mode. It's extremely simple. You can just press on exit simple mode and you can see the phone is back to the normal, and you have all these apps and all the services are running. That's how you get into the simple mode and you get out and the exit of the simple mode. Thanks for watching.